Okay, you tell me when. Mark.
The second annual Work Relationship Index was released at Imagine. What are three key findings?
We're super excited to share these learnings. The first one is around how personalized experiences with technology actually create more fulfillment for people's jobs and their work. The second one is that when people are utilizing new tools and technology, they actually not just increase productivity, but increase their own career opportunities as well. And the last one is this interesting dynamic around having the right kinds of technology, but also the leadership skills around empathy and humans. You bring those two things together, you can activate a workforce and have them be more fulfilled, more productive, and have more growth in their career as well.
Why are flexible work environments and personalized work experiences important in shaping the future of work?
So what we can see from the Work Relationship Index is that when people are using AI, they tend to personalize and customize their work more, and they're more fulfilled in the way that they ultimately get their output or deliver what they're doing. As far as flexibility, people want to be able to do the kind of work they want to do. Over 2/3 of people say that, no matter what generation they sit in. And having that flexibility and the right tools make sure that they felt heard at work and they're able to deliver outcomes.
When it comes to AI, what are you the most excited about as it relates to a great relationship with work?
So this is a fascinating space for me. I mean, for me personally, it's a focus on lifelong learning and being able to try new things and experiment and really offload some of my more mundane or repetitive tasks, but also then get deep and have some flow in the work that I'm really good at doing. For my organization at HP, this is giving virtual assistants to the sales reps so they don't have to track down every PO or every shipment or understand why data is missing. They can grow sales, they can grow their career, and they can ultimately serve our customers better. It's a great mix of humanity and AI all in one to unlock new potential.